let's talk about my F1 link layers action. It's not the same as grouping two things. Let me show you what grouping two things does. Grouping two layers actually is a construct that just puts things within a folder, so that you can organize it better and you can name it something different. And that's a really nice construct. But this one this one does something different in where you can pretty much grab layers and just put them together into a single blob without having to group them, essentially, without having to put them in the same folder. Let me show you an example, quick example. I'm just going to turn on that layer and turn on this layer, and so you can just see them, and you can see what happens when I select both of them and I press F1, and now that the lock symbol just came up. The link symbol came on. Now they're both linked. Now that they're both linked, watch as if they're unselected but they become selected. They become like they're together, and you can actually move them together and whatnot. Okay. I also created some really other cool ones, so you can just quickly just move in and out with this. There's also Control Shift F1, which unlinks the layers, and it doesn't matter which one you have selected. We can actually link this one up too, and we can select any of them, and then just press Control Shift F1, and I made sure that in my actions it's going to select all the linked layers and then get rid of them really quickly. So that's really nice. A really nice one too. After you have everything all linked up, if you press Control F1, it will group them all into a folder. It's not going to go directly to the name, but you can just go and just name the folder yourself. And so that's a cool way of just if you have layers that are already linked somewhere, and you just want to get them grouped real quick, my Control F1 can take care of that really quickly for you. And another nice thing is Photoshop doesn't let you select things really quickly. I always have auto select layer turned on so that I can just go in and just move things and whatnot. But it could be much easier if you had the things linked and whatnot, and you might want to move all the things, and you might want to move all the things at once, or you might just want to edit all those things at once. So they're already since they're already linked, they're all going to be moved all together. But what I've done is with this action is so you can select one of them, and then you can actually press Shift F1, and it will select all your grouped links. Cool? Cool?